Installing the fabric graphic into a Magic frame is pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Here's a quick video to help you get the best results. Start at the bottom left corner. Although it appears that the silicone edge fits into the channel like this, it's actually installed improperly. Insert the silicone edge along with the fabric into the channel so that the fabric is facing the outer part of the frame. The silicone material should be completely hidden, as you see here. Once you get the corner in place, insert about 6 to 8 inches along each side going out from the corner. Then repeat that process working diagonally across the frame. When you move to the side of the frame, start in the center and work your way out to the corners. Alternate from right to left to ensure a proper fit. Once the side is complete, go to the opposite side of the frame to continue. You may also use a credit card to help insert the graphic if necessary. The graphics are designed to fit very snug to ensure a smooth graphic surface. We hope this video helped and that you've been able to get a great fit.